Good morning and welcome to Ellon Academy's virtual assembly on Friday the 25th of February. So from Monday, as per Scottish Government announcements on Tuesday this week, from Monday the 28th of February, there are new arrangements for Scottish schools. The first thing we'll cover is face coverings, and from Monday, pupils and staff in secondary schools are no longer required to wear face coverings in classrooms. However, that means that face coverings still need to be worn out of class, in corridors and at social times in larger gatherings. Adults, however, should continue to wear face coverings if they can't keep physical distance with other adults or pupils. Any young person or member of staff who still wishes to wear a face covering in the classroom will be fully supported to do so. It's absolutely your right to do that. And face coverings should be worn by secondary school pupils and adults in all indoor communal areas. For example, corridors, canteen, sunken social area and other large parts of the school like the library, for example. Also, assemblies are back on the cards in terms of having a large gathering in the theatre. There are no current plans to have regular theatre assemblies this term, but our S4, 5 and 6 pupils will be getting an SQA exam assembly from Miss Booth in due course in the lead up to your exams. Even though we are permitted to have live assemblies in the theatre, there are still mitigations that have to take place, and that is including physical distancing, adequate ventilation and the use of face coverings where appropriate when pupils and staff are less than 1 metre apart. So for the time being, and particularly in light of drama practical exams and assessments, we won't be using the theatre just yet for actual assemblies apart from the SQA ones coming up. In terms of social distancing, staff and visitors should still maintain a physical distance of at least 1 metre from others. As schools already have a 2 metre physical distancing arrangements that work well and don't limit capacity, we at Ellon Academy will retain the 2 metre distancing arrangements. For the time being, our one-way system will still be in operation as well. So between staff and pupils, we are aiming to have a 2 metre distancing arrangement. That will continue. Obviously, that distancing arrangement does not apply to between pupils and pupils. We're still waiting on Aberdeenshire Council guidance on whether or not we continue with one-way systems and whether or not we can really get back to group work in classes, and that's something that I know the staff are really keen on, and it will absolutely enhance learning and teaching. So we'll be doing that as soon as we possibly can. So just a heads up about a week today, Friday, the 4th of March, our LGBTQ plus group here in school are having a Purple Friday to support LGBTQ plus Youth Scotland. And that means that we can dress down next Friday and wear something purple to support this charity. There will be members of the LGBTQ plus group at the doors to meet you on Friday morning as you arrive, and as usual the donation buckets will be there, and £1 is suggested for you if you wish to make a donation. Our LGBTQ group as well have prepared an assembly for next week, which will be shown during the week next week, and also there might be some other activities that they will be doing to promote this next week in terms of the lead up to Purple Friday. So thank you for listening, and we look forward to Monday when some restrictions begin to be lifted in school. Thank you.